There are several fields where you can earn a high salary with relatively low levels of formal education. These jobs typically require skills, certifications, or vocational training rather than a full college degree. Here are a few examples. 1. Skilled trades electricians. Electricians can earn a good salary, and the education requirements are usually limited to a high school diploma followed by an apprenticeship or vocational training. Some states or regions may require a license. Average salary, $50,000 to $70,000 annually, which can increase with experience. Plumbers. Like electricians, plumbers can make significant income after completing an apprenticeship program, which generally takes a few years. Licensing is required in many places. Average salary, $50,000 to $75,000 annually. HVAC Technicians, working with heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Formal education can be limited to a certificate program, and most technicians learn on the job or through apprenticeships. Average salary, $45,000 to $70,000 annually. 1. Technology and IT computer support. Specialists technicians. You don't always need a 4-year degree for many IT support roles. Certifications like CompTIA A+, Microsoft Certified IT Professional, and hands-on experience can help land a good-paying job. Average salary $50,000 to $70,000 annually. Web developers. Many web developers are self-taught or learn through coding boot camps rather than earning a degree. They build websites and web applications. Average salary $50,000 to $80,000 annually. Cybersecurity analyst. Some cybersecurity positions only require certifications like Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISA, or Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, in addition to some experience. Average salary, $60,000 to $90,000 annually. Real estate agents. Becoming a licensed real estate agent typically requires a short training course and passing a licensing exam. With commission-based income, a successful agent can make a high salary. The average salary varies greatly. It can range from $40,000 to well over $100,000 annually, depending on success and location. Real estate brokers. With more experience and a broker's license, income can significantly increase, as brokers manage agents in larger transactions. The average salary ranges from $60,000 to $150,000 annually, depending on performance. Transportation and logistics, commercial truck drivers, long-haul truck drivers can earn high salaries, especially with specialized freight. A commercial driver's license, or CDL, is required, which can be obtained in a few months. The average salary is $45,000 to $75,000 annually, with potential for more with experience or specialized loads. Air traffic controllers. While this job requires some formal training and certification, it does not necessarily require a 4-year degree. The job involves directing aircraft movements at airports. The average salary is $60,000 to $120,000 annually. Healthcare, non-degree roles, radiologic technologists or X-ray technicians typically need an associate's degree, but the earning potential is high without a full 4-year degree. The average salary is $55,000 to $75,000 annually. Dental hygienists. Dental hygienists typically need an associate's degree in licensing, and they earn a strong salary without the need for a full dental degree. The average salary is $60,000 to $85,000 annually. Medical and clinical laboratory technicians. With an associate's degree or certification, you can work in a medical lab, earning a decent salary while helping to analyze medical samples. The average salary is $45,000 to $65,000 annually. Construction managers. While many construction managers have a bachelor's degree, it's possible to move into the field with experience as a construction worker or foreman, gaining skills and certifications on the job. The job involves overseeing construction projects, ensuring they are completed on time and within budget. The average salary is $60,000 to $100,000 annually. Entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be an avenue for high earnings with minimal formal education, depending on the type of business and your success. There's no degree requirement to start a business, but self-discipline, business acumen, and knowledge of the industry are crucial. The potential salary varies widely and can be potentially limitless depending on the success of the business. Sales and marketing. Sales managers. Many sales jobs, such as selling cars, technology, or industrial equipment, offer high commissions, meaning you can earn well even without a degree. Sales managers often work their way up. The average salary is $60,000 to $120,000 annually with commission. Insurance agents. Becoming an insurance agent typically requires obtaining licenses, which can be done quickly. Many agents earn high commissions based on sales. The average salary is $50,000 to $75,000 annually. In many of these fields, the path to a high salary is based on gaining specialized skills, certifications, or experience rather than a traditional college education. Whether in a trade, technology, healthcare, or real estate, the combination of certification, training, and on-the-job experience can allow you to earn a significant income with less schooling.